Jeremy Howard with Hartfield Automation. We're an automation distributor based in the US, and I'm pretty excited to do an unboxing video for an Advantech industrial PC. It's an application I've been working on for about 12 months now, and I wanted to talk a little bit about the application and why we ended up using this Advantech PC. We have a customer that had a control system that was based around software that was processing 3D images, and then that 3D processing would then go out and translate into a motion control platform. In between the processing on the PC and the motion control, they needed to run that through an Allen Bradley PLC so that they can communicate Ethernet IP out to the motion control drives and motors. As I was learning a little bit more about the complete application, it struck me that Advantech has the ability to take one of their PCIe expansion slots and use what they call an Ethernet IP iDoor. So that brought us to this model, the UNO 137. The UNO 137 is a DIN rail mountable industrial PC. It's fanless, which is important for the industrial environment, but it also has digital I/O available on the PC itself. One of the nice things about this PC is that the customer wanted DisplayPort instead of standard HDMI because they have a mobile mount on their screen. So it comes with two DisplayPorts, and then here's the iDoor expansion PCIe area. This allows us to integrate in an Ethernet IP iDoor so that we can communicate out to Ethernet IP drives. So I'm going to show you how to hook all this up today, and just how easy it is, and why this system architecture has proven to be incredibly valuable for our customers. Okay, so let's open up the PC and integrate in the iDoor expansion slot. So there it is, complete. Anyway, we're very excited to bring this to our customer. Our customer is very excited to try this out, and it just goes to show the strengths of Advantech and their flexibility in building a solution that the customers need instead of trying to fit them into something they have off the shelf. So thanks for joining us. We really appreciate it, and if you need any help, please contact us at hartfield.com. Thanks.